After a Delta Airlines crash, today, it has everyone asking, is flying still safe? This crash marks the fourth major aviation disaster in North America in just 1 month. On January 29, 2025, a commercial jetliner and an Army helicopter collided near Washington, D.C., killing 67 people. This was the deadliest plane crash in the U.S. since 2001. In Philadelphia, a medical transportation plane crashed, creating a massive fireball and killing 7. Earlier this month, a commuter flight crashed on Alaska sea ice, killing 10. Smaller incidents at O'Hare International Airport have also raised alarms. A United flight had to return to O'Hare due to an unexpected cockpit issue. A Japan Airlines plane clipped a parked Delta plane while taxiing in Seattle. A United Airlines plane caught fire during takeoff in Houston. Security concerns have also risen with stowaways found dead in wheel wells of planes. The National Transportation Safety Board is investigating these incidents to prevent future ones. In the Washington, D.C. collision, inaccurate altitude readings may have played a role. Incomplete radio transmissions left the helicopter crew without crucial instructions. In Philadelphia, the Learjet crash remains a mystery, with audio recordings capturing the confusion. The Toronto crash occurred amid snowfall and strong winds, yet the aircraft was designed to handle such conditions. The Trump administration's firing of FAA employees occurred prior to the recent crashes. Staffing shortages and an overtaxed air traffic control system have been long-standing issues. Despite these incidents, air travel remains statistically safer than driving. This was the deadliest plane crash in the U.S. since 2001. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember, aviation safety is a top priority.